Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you what to do if your LENOVO 14e Chromebook is not. In most cases, the reason is that your device is discharged. Get the charging cable and insert it into the charging port on the left edge of your laptop. Give it a moment to charge, then short press the power button to start your device. If your device still isn't starting, make sure you didn't expose it to extreme temperatures. If you did, leave it at room temperature for around 12 hours, then plug in the charger. Also, check for visible damage on the AC adapter and cable. If using a substitute power adapter, ensure it provides at least 45 W of power. If your device is stuck in a boot loop, access recovery mode by holding down Escape and Refresh, then short press the power button. In recovery mode, you can launch diagnostics to check for battery issues. Battery failure could also be due to age, though this device uses optimized charging by default, so issues shouldn't occur even after years, but batteries can age quickly. This can only be resolved by replacing the battery, but I recommend reinstalling the operating system first. We have a separate video on how to do that. If that doesn't help, reach out to customer support. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.